Welcome to another video walk around. Today we're going to be looking at a 2012 Toyota Matrix. This is a 5-passenger hatchback in red, driving on 16-inch wheels. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It has our lock and unlock button. We're going to press that unlock button once for the driver's side and take a look in the front first. In the door here, you have your power windows and locks with some storage on the bottom. You also have heated mirrors with this Matrix as well. Take a look next to the door, you have your power adjustable side mirrors. Now if we take a look inside, this Matrix comes equipped with gray fabric seating. Down on the bottom, you'll find your manual seating adjustment handles. We have our key here. We're going to start this Matrix up. On the steering wheel, you have your audio controls on the left side. On the right side, you have your cruise control right behind the steering wheel. If we take a look at the odometer, you can see this Matrix has 155,419 kilometers on it. If we look at our display here, right now we're on the FM option. You do have your standard AM and FM. You also have choices between CD and auxiliary. Underneath that is the climate control. You have these nice smooth turning dials. It is a single zone climate control system. You'll also find your AC and the temperature dial there. You have a little time display on the bottom here as well. If we move down past the shifter, down here you have some storage compartments. If you take a closer look here, this is where you also have your 12-volt outlet and your auxiliary port. Taking a quick look inside the back here, we have some storage on the bottom, just like the driver's side. We are continuing with the gray fabric seating. Now if we take a closer look behind here, these rear seats do also fold down. There's a little handle here if we pull that upwards. Seats will fold flat, giving you access to your cargo. Taking a last look at our Matrix, once again, some of those great features includes your steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, heated mirrors, and a hood deflector. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take a Ford test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around, and as always, drive safe.